Hey Davis, why don't we ever clean our ceiling? What? Who starts a conversation like that?
Travis and Davis, two roommates. They live in a house in Olada. They are really cool men. Travis! Davis! Travis and Davis, they are the roommates. Travis! Davis! Travis! Davis! Square, triangle. They live in the neighborhood. Travis! Davis! Travis! Davis!
So why are we going to Burger King again? Why were we at Burger King? Why, we were simply ordering 2 burgers and fries. So when are you gonna order? Right now. We will have 2 burgers and 2 fries.
So why did we go to Burger King? I don't know, I was hungry. Well, that was pretty good. Okay, what the fuck? Hey, stop pissing on my doorbell.
Hey, shut up! Stop screaming! Shut up!
Shut up, Rick, I'm gonna beat your ass. Hey, Davis, some weird kid just pissed on our doorbell. Oh, did you catch him? No, I didn't. Little bitch got away. Well, I have a little plan. Why don't we, set up a trap for the next time he arrives? Not a bad idea, Davis. I kinda like that idea. I gotta go to the store and buy some stuff now.
Hey, you don't look so human.
Don't you look at me a little racist?
Sir, I'm not trying to mean that in any way, but...
Oh, just because of the color of my skin, you're assuming I'm not human? You know, anyone can be anything these days, sir. Humans these days.
What's going on over there? Hey Carl, you gonna cross the road? You're just gonna stand like a statue. It's so funny, Clyde. Yeah, I'm so funny. So weird. Davis, come out here real quick. Come look at the trap I set up. What do you need, Travis? It's getting late. Look at this cool gun trap I set up. I don't care. Come inside. Are you the monkey? You're the monkey. Oh yeah, you're the monkey. Hey, Travis, what are you doing? I'm just walking through the house. Hello?
Travis! Why haven't you come to visit me?
Sorry, you have the wrong number. Who is that? Wrong number.
Yes. Ha! You bitch. Hey! What the hell are you guys doing?
Fuck you, Rick. Man, screw you guys. Back at you, buddy.